Is a high-capacity life before battery really this powerful? Full review of the WattCycle 314 Ah. Today we're unboxing a true powerhouse, the WattCycle 12-volt 314 Ah life before battery. The packaging is rock solid. Open it up and there's thick foam padding inside, protecting the battery perfectly. The accessories are also very complete, including the instruction manual, fixing screws, and battery. Weight 59.52 pounds. Totally easy to carry all by yourself. Size 15 by 7.64 by 9.76 inches. Only 1/3 the weight of a 12-volt 300 Ah lead-acid battery, yet offers twice the energy. Let's compare it with the 12-volt 280 Ah mini battery. Same size, but even more capacity. That's impressive. Let's check the voltage, reading 13.22 volt. Everything looks great. Built-in advanced Bluetooth monitoring. Track real-time voltage, charging status, temperature, and battery health via the WattCycle app. Massive capacity, 314 Ah, 4019 Wh. Up to 10-year lifespan, 3 to 5 times longer than lead-acid. IP65 water resistant, 5,000 to 15,000 deep cycles. Supports 4 series 4 parallel setups. Smart BMS protection system. Now let's do some actual testing. Connect the electrical appliances. Perfectly stress-free. Fishing boats, campers, solar energy storage. It can handle all of them. After watching the video, did you immediately want to own a WattCycle 12-volt 314 Ah battery? Which battery would you like us to test next? Please leave your comments in the comment section.